Aye, this is a 5 sand, 1 cement, dropped from waist height. Just listen to the sound this makes. 5 sand, 1 cement, with red building sand from waist height. That's why you don't put a pure sand and cement into a building that's got soft bricks. What I mean by pure is no lime in it. The lime weakens it down, so I would do a 116 or even a 1 cement, 2 lime, 9 sand. I wouldn't just do a 5 sand and 1 cement. It's far too hard. I wouldn't even use it on engineering bricks, because half the time the engineering bricks, it was built in lime, so even though the bricks are hard, it doesn't mean to say you can put a hard material in, because there's lime behind it and it'll just decay the lime. So people who say sand and cement is fine, no it's not. It's far too hard for old buildings. So this is hydrated. This is a 1 lime, 1 cement, 6 sand. Big difference in your sand and cements. That's why I add a hydrated lime. It weakens a mix, makes it more flexible. So this is a hydraulic lime that I use with brown sand. This is 5 years old from waist height. So you can still see how soft it is after 5 years. That's Lafarge NHL 3.5 at a 1 to 3 mix. So you can see the difference between that and rock hard cement.